Welcome back to the PLG123. This is episode 51, and today's tab is about Google's new Notion killer. Let's dive in. Google just announced something called Smart Canvas, and TLDR, it's Google's attempt to kill Notion. First off, this actually isn't a new standalone product. It's a basket of new collaboration features Google is shipping for Google Workspace over the coming months, with many of them live already today. A lot of the features are referred to as interactive building blocks, and they're woven into Google Workspace products in a pretty elegant manner. For example, take the new element Google is calling a Smart Chip. It sounds fancy, but really it just gives you more stuff to link to when you use @mentions. Instead of only seeing team members to tag, you'll now also see recommended files and meetings. So if you want to refer to another Google Doc or sheet, no more hunting for the link so that you can create a hyperlink manually. And the same goes for meeting links as well. Some of the other interactive building blocks include checklists that can be assigned to people, which then link directly to that person's Google Tasks list, which brings in some of the lightweight work management capabilities found in other products. And the last interactive block is called Table Templates. It lives in Docs, and when you see the UI of it, look at this GIF, you start to see very quickly how it looks like Notion or Coda from a look and feel standpoint. Zooming out on this announcement, it's less that Google launched a Notion killer, and it's more that Google is adding enhanced collaboration features across Docs, Sheets, and Slides, and the rest of Google Workspace, such that users never really feel the need to adopt Notion in the first place. And to me, this is actually a bigger risk to Notion than if Google launched a copycat product. And that's because everybody already uses Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, and getting millions of existing users to adopt a new feature in an existing product is a lot easier than trying to launch a brand new product and acquire millions of users from a standing start, even if you're Google. Well, that does it for today on the PLG123. Make sure to follow me and tune in tomorrow for another new tab.